Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily Health Shift. I'm Daniel. Today's topic is fitness for joint health, building strength and mobility that lasts. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to move comfortably as you age, maintaining joint health through smart fitness routines is essential. We'll cover why this matters, common mistakes, my personal experience, and a step-by-step guide to building a fitness plan that supports joint longevity. This isn't just about staying active, it's about protecting your long-term mobility, preventing pain, and staying independent as you age. Strong muscles protect your joints. Without regular strength and mobility work, joints bear too much load, leading to wear and tear. Research from the American College of Sports Medicine shows that adults who incorporate joint-focused fitness routines experience 30% less arthritis-related pain. Joint cartilage doesn't have its own blood supply, so movement is what delivers nutrients to joint tissues. This makes regular, controlled motion essential, not just high-intensity workouts, but deliberate mobility work. Personally, I learned this after struggling with knee discomfort. Strengthening my hips and quads made a huge difference. It wasn't just about lifting weights, but focusing on correct form, tempo, and mobility drills that restored balance. I also worked with a physical therapist to identify specific muscle imbalances. Listener story. Lisa from New York said, "Adding joint-friendly workouts saved my yoga practice from knee pain." Another listener, Mark from Seattle, shared, "Before I added mobility work, I couldn't squat without back pain. Now I feel 10 years younger." This shows how movement truly is medicine for joint health. Mistake 1. Focusing only on cardio. While cardio improves heart health, it doesn't build joint-supporting muscles. Mistake 2. Lifting too heavy without form checks. Poor form creates uneven stress on joints. Mistake 3. Ignoring flexibility and mobility training. Strength without mobility leads to stiffness. Mistake 4. Skipping warm-ups and cool-downs. Jumping into workouts cold can strain tissues. Mistake 5. Pushing through joint pain without adjustments. Ignoring warning signs leads to long-term damage. Mistake 6. Repeating the same exercises too often. Variety helps prevent overuse injuries. Mistake 7. Not balancing all muscle groups. Overdeveloping certain areas like quads without hamstrings can create joint instability. Mistake 8. Neglecting rest days. Joints need recovery just like muscles. Here's what works for me. Strength training 2-3 times per week, focusing on form and control. Key movements include squats, deadlifts, rows, and presses with moderate weight and perfect technique. I prioritize controlled eccentrics, lowering slowly to protect joints. Daily mobility work, 5 to 10 minutes focusing on hips, shoulders, and spine, using drills like hip cars, shoulder circles, and thoracic rotations. I also add specific yoga poses like pigeon stretch and downward dog to open tight areas. Low-impact cardio, 3 to 5 times per week. Cycling, swimming, and walking are all joint-friendly. Yoga or Pilates once per week for flexibility and balance. Consistent warm-up and cool-down routines, including dynamic stretches before workouts and foam rolling afterward. I also incorporate joint supplements like omega-3s, glucosamine, and collagen peptides to support tissue health. Listener story. Kevin from Florida shared, "Once I added strength training and mobility work, my shoulder pain during tennis disappeared." Another story. Rachel from California said, "Pilates made my knees feel stable for the first time in years." It's important to adapt these routines as life changes. During busier weeks, even 10-minute mobility sessions help maintain joint health. Now let's build your personal plan. Step 1. Choose your weekly workout split. Strength training 2 to 3 times, mobility daily, cardio 3 to 5 times. Step 2. Set mobility work as a daily non-negotiable. Even 5 minutes in the morning makes a difference. Set reminders if needed. Step 3. Schedule warm-ups and cool-downs around every session. Make them part of the workout, not an optional add-on. Step 4. Track joint comfort, strength gains, and flexibility improvements weekly using a journal or app. Bonus, adjust exercises if needed. Swap high-impact moves for low-impact alternatives. Invest in quality footwear and equipment to reduce joint stress. Example weekly schedule. Monday, strength plus mobility. Tuesday, yoga. Wednesday, strength plus cardio. Thursday, mobility plus walk. Friday, strength. Saturday, light cardio mobility. Sunday, rest or yoga. Alright friends, that's it for today's episode. If this helped you, share it with someone looking to move pain-free for years to come. And if you want more real-world health advice, subscribe to the Daily Health Shift. Next week, we're diving into stress management tools that actually work. I'll see you then.